he is. He's walking around.
All right.
Wait till you see this guy. He is 82 years old. You would never believe it.
Right.
Never believe it.
Taking care of himself.
Oh, here he is. He's right here in the green shirt.
Okay. Wow, that's a beautiful car.
Yeah.
Oh man, I've been wanting to get me one.
Now this must be a 70 Cutlass. It's got a
How do you know that?
70. No, a 70 Buick. I don't know what year this is. I don't see a. I don't know. What year is it?
Yeah, it doesn't have to say a year.
See, he's got a 70 on the license plate.
Right.
That's
So
only the thing I.
probably is, yeah. Probably.
Skylark.
Yeah.
Well, you forgot how big they were.
Got some beauties.
I'm not a Ford person, but a lot of people like Ford.
Right. So anyway, she calls me.
I'm gonna roll myself up in a big ball. And gonna send that one out to our friends over here. Ken's Weenie Wagon, serving up lunch.